What's going on, guys? My name's Kyle. Welcome to Big Money Mindset 2 Rocketfuel channel. In today's video, we're going to cover Nio. We haven't talked about Nio in a couple of days. I'm going to give you the 3 most recent headlines about Nio leading up to Nio Day. We'll take a look at the Nio chart. We'll go over my options, and I'll also give you guys some option recommendations for Nio Day. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. I go over call option updates for companies I see a ton of upside in. We've been doing very well these past couple of months, and a lot of people are learning how to play call options very fast. And only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on the Nio stock and where they're headed in the future, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be keeping you updated with all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out, and you don't want to miss it. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, as of right now, prior to the Thursday market opening, Nio is hovering around $47.12. My call options right now are doing excellent. We can see I'm up 615%, a $10,700 gain. We only put about $2,000 in these contracts, so they're worth about $12,500 right now. So these are the type of options that I like to play very early time frame before the stocks run. I do plan on exercising these in the near future. These are $22 calls, so these could have a ton of upside potential for Nio in the long term. So I definitely do plan on exercising these $22 calls. Now, leading up to Nio Day, we have a ton of catalysts coming up, but what we really need to see, so just looking at the 1 week chart, we're doing pretty solid. We hit a high about 49.59, so we really need Nio to break through that $50 resistance to start running again. Okay, that's what it's going to be leading up to Nio Day. We got to get past the 50. It's going to attract a lot more buyers buying into Nio Day. And I'm just going to give you guys a call option recommendation for Nio Day. If you plan on playing call options, remember, always do your due diligence. But I'm going to give you guys the best call option I see personally right now. So we know Nio Day is going to be on January 9th. Take a look at the options. We got 1 December call and we got 4 Januaries. I would recommend to buy either the 15th or the 22nd. Just because the 8th is so close to Nio Day. You're not going to get that full news absorption of Nio Day, because there could be a potential sell-off after Nio Day. So I would recommend the January 22nd or the January 15th. We'll take a look at the January 15th. We can see right now we're hovering around 47. So I think it would be smart right now to just play like a 48 or a $49 call. So we'll take a look at the 48 call. Open interest is amazing. Volume's amazing. So this would be a good call to play leading up to Nio Day if you want a high risk call option. But inside of my Patreon, I've been telling people and recommending to play March, April, May right now. A lot of cushion after Nio Day. Ton of sales moving up. So just to give you guys a little heads up, if you want a quick January Nio Day call, go with that January 15th or January 22nd, $48 call. That's probably your best risk to reward as of right now if you want a high risk play. All right, guys. And of course, just reviewing this chart, the 1 month chart. Leading up to Nio Day, all the good news priced in right after Nio Day. Mid-January, I'll give you guys a price prediction. I expect Nio could potentially hit that $70 range. I'm not going to go crazy bullish, say something crazy like 100, 120, but I do think they can really hit that $70 range. This is very possible. We've already hit a $56 high, and I think with just the type of news coming with Nio, with their potential batteries that I'm going to be going over shortly, the new vehicle sedans, and potential news about a factory, we could see a massive jump happen. And right now we are hovering around $47. Understand that would be a massive jump. So I'm very excited for Nio Day. That's about 3 weeks out. I do expect the news to be absorbed, right around the 15th, fully absorbed, and then we'll be off to the races for the rest of 2021. So bullish price, I'm going to go with that $70 range mid-January. So let's see how it plays out, and we'll just play it by ear. I'll keep you guys updated. So we know leading up to Nio Day, in addition to its first sedan, Nio is said to unveil a 150 kilowatt hour battery on Nio Day. At the Nio Day event on January 9, 2021, Nio will unveil its first sedan, 150 kilowatt hour battery, the NT 2.0 autonomous driving platform, and second generation battery swap station. Nio co-founder and president Quinn said on December 22nd at the 100 kilowatt hour battery sharing session, according to autohome.com. This is not the first time we have seen the talk about the 150 kilowatt hour battery. On October 30th, at Nio's top user club, EP Club. Nio founder William Lin Ben said that Nio was working on a 150 kilowatt hour battery pack that would give its cars a range of more than 900 kilometers. So that's some very exciting news leading up to Nio Day. Big battery, new sedan. I heard there's going to be multiple vehicles potentially. And we'll take a look at another Nio headline that just came out. Nio Pilot, Nio's assisted driving system, sees more than 100 million kilometers driven by owners. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing news, guys. We can see that Nio said that its car owners have driven more than 100 million kilometers using Nio Pilot, the electrical vehicles company automated assistant driving system. This means that not only is Nio's product ownership growing, but so is its user trust in Nio Pilot. The direct benefit of the data accumulation brought by many users is that Nio can continue to iterate and upgrade the Nio Pilot automatic assisted driving system in the future through big data analysis. The direct benefit of the data accumulation brought by many users is that Nio can continue to iterate and upgrade the Nio Pilot automatic assisted driving system in the future through big data analysis. As an auto-assisted driving system developed by Nio, Nio Pilot has made 9 important iterations through FOTA since its launch 614 days ago, bringing as many as 20 major functions, including NOP Pilot Assistant. So we do know that Nio has been gaining a lot of data on their automated driving assistants, their autopilot, and we know that they've been working on robo-taxis. So there is a lot of great information, Nio heading up to Nio Day. We could have some huge announcements coming up. And the biggest headline, the last one I want you guys to see, this is more speculation, of course. This is just to get you guys a little bit excited. Analysts expects Apple to partner with Tesla or Nio in the coming years. Guys, this is absolutely amazing news. We know that Apple is planning on going, EV route. They definitely have the money to do it. If Apple strikes a deal with an established electric car company like Tesla, Volkswagen, or Nio, it would be a golden partnership for the next decade, tapping into the EV opportunity. Wedbush analyst Daniel Ivey said in a report, Apple has been working on a driverless car vision for years, and Ivey's predicted that the company will ultimately announce an electric vehicle strategic partnership in 2021 that lays the groundwork to enter the burgeoning EV space. So, guys, we know that Nio is going to be heavy in autonomous driving, spending a lot of money. That's the route they're trying to go. They're trying to get those robo-taxis out there. And if Apple does land a partnership with Nio or Tesla, this is going to be huge for either one of the companies. And you got to understand, the reason why I'm so bullish on Nio is multiple reasons. One, the customer service from people that have purchased these vehicles is outstanding. It's beyond any other company. There's guys on YouTube doing interviews on their vehicles, and the customer service, they keep saying, is just amazing. They have amazing price points. Their battery swap technology is second to none compared to other companies. Their batteries never go bad. They always swap out new batteries in their charging stations. So this company does care about their customers. They have great customer service. These are extremely sleek vehicles. There's a lot of upside in Nio. And the best part is they've been hitting amazing volume sales. Sales growth has been records for the past 6 months. So just understand, once New Year's comes around, do expect another December record to come out. I expect them to hit potentially 6,000 vehicles sold. I'm very excited. And I have been recommending on my Patreon for people to be buying March and April calls, even May calls for Nio, because I think 2021 is where they really get it rolling. There's been a ton of bad articles out there with the delisting and the dilution. These are now beginning to get passed on. The news has been absorbed. So I haven't done a Nio video in a while, but I just wanted to give you guys some updates for the past 3 days. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. And only if this video gave you a better insight on the Nio stock and where they're headed. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be keeping you updated with all the growth stocks and spec plays in the near future. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out, and you don't want to miss it. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.